Let's open our hearts and our minds to more abundance. But before we do that, I'd love for you to just think about the phrase of this tapping topic, which is, I am ready and willing to receive more money. I am ready and willing to receive more money. And I want you to think about how true you feel that is on a scale of 1 to 10, that more money can flow into your life over the next, say, week to 7 days. I am ready and willing to receive more money, and that could happen over the next 7 days. So 10 is like, yeah, I really believe that to be true. Like, I really believe that is possible, that I can be open and ready and willing to receive more money into my life. Whereas 0 is like, no, I really don't think that's going to happen at all. Like, I've got no positivity around receiving more money over the next week to 10 days. Now, what I'd love for you to do is make a mental note of that number, write it down, or ideally post it in the comments, because we're going to check in again at the end, and hopefully that statement will feel really true for you, and you'll feel really abundant and grounded and like, yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready and willing and open to receive more money. So let's get tapping. So to start with, let's just take a nice deep breath together. So breathing in through the nose, and then just hold at the top of the breath. Just appreciate that complete stillness and peace. And then exhale. Just let everything go. Just sink down into your seat, roll your shoulders. Let go of any stress or worry that's been part of your day so far. Just letting all that go. So let's start tapping. So tapping on the karate chop points, repeating after me, ideally out loud if you can, but if not, you can just say it in your mind. Just copy what I do, copy what I say. But if you want to switch any words up, that's completely okay as well. So even though I feel some stress and worry when it comes to money, and money matters, I choose to become more aware of what's coming up. Even though there's been times, perhaps lots of times, where I felt lack and scarcity when it comes to money, challenges and difficulties when it comes to money. I'm willing to let the past go and move forward in a more positive way. Even though I'm not completely sure, like I'm not 100% sure whether I am really ready and open to receive more money, because maybe there's something getting in the way, or it feels like there's something blocking the flow. I choose to deeply and completely love, honour and accept myself. And then moving up to the eyebrow point, you can tap on both sides ideally. When I'm demoing, I just tap on one side. So I am ready and willing to receive more money. I am ready and willing to receive more money. Side of the eye, but something's not working. Something's not quite right. It's just not happening. Under the eye. And it's really hard to get caught up in not enoughness. That lack and scarcity. Under the nose. There's not enough people seeing my stuff on social media. There's not enough people engaging with me. Chin point. There's not enough inquiries. There's not enough clients. Collarbone point. Or there's just not enough money in my life generally. Under the arm. What is going on here? What is going on here? There's not enough money flowing into my life right now. Top of the head. And it feels like money is flowing away from me rather than flowing towards me. It's really frustrating. Eyebrow point. I'm ready and willing to receive more money. I'm ready and willing to receive more money. Side of the eye. So what's stopping or blocking the flow of money? Under the eye. What's getting in the way here? Under the nose. Maybe there are other factors at play here. Chin point. Maybe there's other stuff going on which is causing resistance in some way. Collarbone point. And it's really hard to feel abundant when you have that sense of not enoughness. It's really hard. Under the arm. And it's also really hard to think about my external world and the impact that it's having on my self-worth and my self-esteem and even the belief that I have in myself. That not enoughness is feeling like it's seeping into me and my worth and that I'm not enough. Top of the head, but I really do want to receive more money. I really would love for money to flow to me. Okay, just stop tapping there for a moment. What we're going to do is just tap just on the collarbone point, okay? So if you feel comfortable to do so and safe to do so, just close your eyes for a moment and keep tapping on your collarbone points. You don't need to say what I'm saying. I just want you to hear what I'm saying and just listen and think about what I'm saying. So the first thing to bring to mind then is that statement, I am ready and willing to receive more money. And I want you to just bring that statement, bring those words into your heart for a moment. I am ready and willing to receive more money. And when we think about lack and scarcity, sometimes that can close us and that can close our body, our minds and our hearts to more. So it may be that you feel that your heart's really closed off because you've been living in fear and scarcity. So what we're going to do is just try and open up our hearts a little bit. So the first thing to do is just send love to your heart right now. So again, it's entirely up to you how you envision this or imagine it. You might want to just imagine pouring like a golden nectar into your heart. It might be a purple light flowing around your heart. Or maybe you can imagine just really tenderly holding your heart in your hands and just sending love to it. Because maybe there's been some hurt there around money. Sometimes our limiting beliefs sabotage us. Sometimes we've been wounded by stuff that's happened in the past around money. So just pour love into your heart right now. Just pour that love in. And I want you to think about the word more. And when we think about more, we often think about abundance. So I want you to consider, are you ready and willing to receive more abundance? Because abundance isn't just about money, but abundance and appreciation and gratitude is a really important part of this. Abundance is an inside job, and abundance lives in your heart. It lives within you, your amazing body. Let's just take a moment to really appreciate the abundance within us. Just appreciating the fact that your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood around your body every day. Thinking about all that abundance in terms of the trillions of cells in your body. Trillions of cells. And thinking about your amazing supercomputer, which lives in your head. Your brain is absolutely amazing. It's abundant. It's a fantastic storage system, and it can process about 11 million bits of information every single second, most of which you won't even be aware of. So thinking about all that abundance within you now. The universe lives within you. Okay, so deep breath. Open your eyes. And we can do 3 rounds of lovely, positive, abundant tapping now. So back to your eyebrow points. The more abundant I feel on the inside, the more abundance and money I can attract towards me. Side of the eye. I don't need to chase or grasp. I just need to stay where I am and be open. Under the eye. I need to focus on the abundance within me and keep my heart open. Under the nose. And maybe there is some action that I can take around this. Chin points. Maybe there are some practical things that I can do to encourage money into my life. Collarbone point. And if money is a challenge in my life right now, how am I choosing to deal with those challenges? Under the arm. Am I choosing to deal with these challenges from a place of fear and scarcity and anxiety? Top of the head. Or am I choosing to come from a place of groundedness, calmness and abundance? Eyebrow point. I give myself permission to align to the energy of abundance and money. Good money energy. Side of the eye. And of course money can flow towards me. It's abundant in the world. Under the eye. It's not like the old days where we were scrabbling around to find nuggets of precious metal in rocks in earth. Money's abundant now. Under the nose. Reminding myself as well that abundance starts with me. It's how I am. It's a state. It's an inside job. Chin point. And I really let go of that fear and that desperation. Just let go of that fear and desperation. Collarbone point. And I give myself permission to feel excited and joyful when I think about money. Under the arm. What if it was really easy to create more money? What if money just flowed to me really easily? Top of the head. And as long as I have these amazing gifts and talents, and I keep just being me in my most authentic self, I will always, always be able to create more money in my life, in my business. Last round. Eyebrow point. I am ready and willing to receive more money. So let's really ramp up the energy now. I am ready and willing to receive more money. Side of the eye. It feels really exciting to open my heart and my mind and my soul to this. Open myself up to money. Under the eye. And readiness and willingness are really amazing vibrations to be in. Changes my whole state when I step into readiness and willingness. Really go high vibe. Under the nose. And I just want to think for a moment about all the money right now that is exchanging hands. Millions and billions of pounds or dollars exchanging all around the world right in this moment. chin points. And that money is given with gratitude and love and appreciation. And I can experience that as well. And as I receive, I give. And as I give, I receive. What a beautiful exchange of energy. What a beautiful exchange of energy. Collarbone points. So today I am choosing love over fear. Love over fear. Calmness over chaos. Calmness over chaos. Abundance over lack. Abundance over lack. Under the arm. Because I am really truly worthy and deserving of more money. More abundance. And I see abundance everywhere. It starts inside of my body and extends all around me. I choose to see more of it. Top of the head, I feel calm and grounded, knowing that there is enough money out there and there is always enough for me. There's an abundance of money in the world. Why wouldn't it flow to me? I am ready and willing to receive more money. I am ready and willing to receive more money, more love, more joy, more ease, more abundance. More abundance. Okay, just stop tapping there for a moment. Just place both hands just on your heart chakra here on your chest. Close your eyes. And again, I want you to really feel all that energy now in your body. Just feel your aliveness and your abundance. And it's buzzing. It's buzzing inside of you. And bring that energy right into your heart. And as you do that, I want you to just imagine your heart opening up like a flower, like a beautiful golden flower with all the light shining from it and through it and outside of your body as you fully open yourself up to more money, more abundance, more gratitude, more love. Nice deep breath in and let it go. And what we're going to do now is think again about that phrase and see how true it does feel now that we could start to have more money come into our life, to receive more money. So that phrase is, I am ready and willing to receive more money. And I want you to think, could I do this in the next week to 10 days? Is this possible for me? So you'll have your score from the beginning. So 10 is like, yeah, hell yeah. I am so ready for that abundance to flow into my life. I really feel this could happen for me. I feel really positive. I feel really abundant right now. And 0 is like, nah, no, I still don't feel it's going to happen to me. Hopefully your score has, gone up and you are feeling that abundance. But if not, don't worry, it's okay. Tap again, keep tapping until you feel that shift, because you will feel that shift. And one more thing to say on this as well is that when you are in those times of feeling that lack and scarcity, that you really need to just look after yourself really well, because we can't make logical decisions about anything financially when we're in this highly stressed and anxious state. So take the time to meditate, to tap, to really look after yourself, and then you'll find that you will be able to deal with those money challenges from that place of calm, grounded abundance. Thank you so much for tapping with me, and I hope you can join me this time next week for more lovely tapping. Take care. Bye.